Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the H1S Selfie Stick, a compact all-in-one gadget that looks like it can work as a selfie stick, tripod and phone holder. In this video, I will unbox it, test the build quality, check the stability and see if it's actually worth buying. I just got this selfie stick and today we are going to whether this budget gadget actually useful or just another cheap necessary. Because this multifunction selfie stick, it promises portability, stability and easy to content creation in one compact design. The cost of this tripod I got in 9 RMB, 9 yuan Chinese, because I am currently in the China. So this selfie stick cost me with delivery 9 RMB, 9 yuan. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.